Where is baby Moses? Moses, Moses. Where is baby Moses? In the river Nile.
What comes next?
The princess, she went swimming, swimming, swimming. The princess, she went swimming in